You think they'll see me coming? What's up, guys? So we're going to go ahead and do a 3-bedroom home, stairs, a couple area rugs. Probably not going to be doing too much recording on this one because actually the carpet and everything's in great shape. The wool rug's a little soiled, but we're going to take care of that. But anyway, I just want to talk about a little bit about Typhoon 3. I used to have the Typhoon 2.5. And, they did some upgrades and stuff like that. And this thing has just been amazing. I went ahead and added this longer 20-foot hose with my other. And I barely used it, only like on upholstery jobs here and there. But I just been going ahead and leaving it on here. And it does diminish the PSI a little bit with the longer hose. But, you can take this off and just leave it in one part and just go around with just handle and spray. So it's very, very convenient. Love it. Also, they made this to it disconnects right here at the base. So if you ever have any problems, you just buy the replacement hose and connect it. So that's good. And what else did they do? Oh, the tip now, the spray tip now, it's better for us carpet cleaners. I did talk to the guy, and I actually want to introduce these to the carpet cleaning industry. And told him the spray pattern on these that are set for the pump were a little wide, get your feet all wet and stuff like that. So they went on it. So perfect spray pattern for carpet cleaners now. If you got the 2.5 and you had that problem, well, yeah, I understand. But yeah, so now you're not getting your feet all wet. I love that about this. What else? They had some other. This is the new cart too. So I've been just using the cart, not putting it on my backpack. If it was for me, I'd have your backpack all the time. But my helpers don't like putting the backpack on. I get it. But that's what helps with the longer hose. So now it's almost like a backpack. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, do you think they'll see me? You think they'll see me coming now? New decals on my new van. I've had it for almost 2 months, and the company was so backed up. But I finally got the decals on and love it. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, guys, just another day in the life of a carpet cleaner, floor cleaner, hardwood floor cleaner, tile cleaner, and more. All right, guys, so if you like this type of stuff, you know, go ahead and subscribe, all right? Like it, and we'll see you in the next one.